So students, this is part 2 of the question answers from chapter 5, that is input in Java. So here we begin with question number 2. To accept a fractional value float m through scanner class. Alright. So it's a two-step process. First we'll create the object of scanner and then we'll give input to the float type of variable m. So how do we create the object? Here scanner is the class name, sc is the object name, equal to new scanner. You can see here a scanner here also and this side also. So this scanner is a constructor, and then we have an argument here which is passed through the constructor, and that argument is system.in. After that, students, we have the variable float m equal to sc.next float. So next float is basically the function that is used to input the data using the scanner object. So sc.next float. Float f is capital. Please remember that. So I hope everybody has a clear idea. Now after that, question number 3. To accept a character d through stream class, and here we have two steps for the creation of the different objects which are required for the input here. First we will create the input stream readers object. Then we create the buffer reader object. Right, two objects are ready. Now buffer reader object will be used to input the data, and here char type data is to be entered or character type data is to be entered. So just see the process here. Input stream reader, that is a class, isr is the object, assignment operator equal to new means assignment operator, then new is to allocate the memory, then input stream reader, that's a constructor, system.in is the argument, alright, which is passed through the constructor of input stream reader class. And here you notice input stream readers I, S and R capital, 3 words, they begin with the capital letters here. Okay, so please don't try to change that, it is fixed. Name of the constructor and class are always same, so that's why it is here. Same thing for the buffered reader. Buffer reader also, buffer B capital, readers are capital. And please remember, we have to write buffered, not buffer. Okay. After that we have char D equal to char BR dot read. Okay. That is the statement for the character input using the stream class facilities. Okay. In Java. After that, students, we have question number 4. To accept a fraction value n in double data type through stream class. Okay. So here what do we have? We have again created the two objects. One is of input stream reader type. The other object is of buffered reader class. So here we have to write the same statements which we have earlier written. Input stream reader isr equal to new input stream reader system.in buffered reader br equal to new buffered reader isr. Alright. And then we have the input statement. So here data which is entered is actually in the string type. So it is required to be converted or required to be converted into the double type. So because we need double value here, so we write double dot parse double, then we have br dot read line. Alright.